Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to discuss regarding anxiety disorder. Anxiety disorders include panic disorder, agoraphobia, specific phobia, social phobia, generalized anxiety disorder. From the above stated one, agoraphobia, specific phobia and social phobia we had already discussed in the earlier sessions. Anxiety. It is an altering signal. It warns of impending danger and enables a person to take measures to deal with a threat. It is a response to threat that is unknown, internal, vague or conflictual. The symptoms of anxiety experience has two components. First one, awareness of physiological sensation. Second one, awareness of being nervous or frightened. The type 1 panic anxiety disorder. Definition: an acute attack of anxiety accompanied by feelings of impending doom is known as panic disorder. The anxiety is characterized by discrete period of intense fear. Comorbid condition is agoraphobia. Etiology: first one, biological factors including abnormal regulation of noradrenergic system, alternations in neurotransmitters like norepinephrine, serotonin and GABA, panic-inducing substances like carbon dioxide, sodium lactate and bicarbonate. Brain imaging MRI shows pathological involvement in temporal lobes. There is an association between mitral valve prolapse and panic disorders based on some studies. Genetic factors include first-degree relatives of patient with panic disorder, monozygotic twins than dizygotic twins. Psychosocial factors include unsuccessful defense against anxiety-provoking impulses. Clinical features include spontaneous occurrence of panic attack. Sometimes it is followed by excitement, physical exertion, sexual activity, emotional trauma, use of alcohol, nicotine or other drugs. Major symptoms are extreme fear and sense of impending death or doom. Physical symptoms include tachycardia, palpitation, dyspnea, sweating, chest pain, hyperventilation and respiratory alkalosis. Mental status examination findings include rumination, stammering, impaired memory, depression, depersonalization. Treatment: both pharmacotherapy and cognitive behavioral therapy are very effective, along with family therapy and group therapy. Pharmacotherapy includes the main drugs alprazolam and paroxetine. SSRIs are also used to treat panic attacks. Benzodiazepines. Thank you.